Okay, Assalamualaikum and a good day to everyone. Okay, for your lab sheet 1 for network service administration class, what you have to do is first you need to install and configure a Linux server, which is a Red Hat server. And second is we will gonna do the basic commands of the line for Linux server. Okay, Okay, actually for lab 1, actually you should install the Red Hat server from basics. Okay, what I have given to you is a CentOS that already been installed by me, and you only take the image and then you can use. Actually for lab sheet 1, you need to install it from the basic. But I'm not gonna do this one first. We will do in some other times. Okay, I know that you have so many things, that you need to download in this month, so it's okay, we put it aside and we will doing the installation from the basics is in some other time. Okay, actually the one that we are using is a CentOS, and the one that we are trying to learn to install is a Red Hat. Actually both is the same, it's just that Red Hat is a licensed one and CentOS is open source. It's just that Red Hat, when it's licensed, there is some of the function that we cannot use. That's why in our class and the one I given to you is a CentOS, but the installation of the CentOS and the Red Hat is the same. Okay, but we put it aside first, and then for this lab sheet 1, what we have to do for this time only for part B, but you can read lah by yourself the installation. Okay, this is a part B that we have to do is applying this command into your CentOS. Okay, first we will see the basic command. This is the basic command in the Linux server. Okay, you can open. Okay, before that, here you see here they have a 4 workplace. Okay, we have workplace 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, here the workplace is here. Just click and this will appear for you is a where they are saving the file setup. Okay, it's okay. Okay, click and then open your terminals. Okay, it will take some time to open. Okay, so this one in the workplace 1. Okay, who am try to do this command, who I am. Okay, you can see here we show you pts/0. Okay, let's see if we open the workplace 2 and then open the terminals and check who I am again, and here you see it represent pts/1. Okay, here we show you at which workplace that you are using. For example, here 2/4 you are in the workplace 2. Okay, for example workplace 3, open the terminals and type who am I. Okay, this is showing you pts2. Okay, this one is represent to you workplace 3. Okay, if we going back to workplace 1, okay, this one is 0, this one is 1, and at workplace 3 we show you the pts2. Okay, you can choose any workplace that you want to do. Okay, for the first command we use the pwd. Pwd is stand for print working directory, at which directory that you are working right now. Okay, it's same, they will show you the current locations of your directory. Okay, in Linux we call it directory. Actually the directory is same with the folder. We call it folder lah. In our daily life we call it folder, but here we call it directory. Is the same. Okay, for example here pwd and you enter, so you are in the home/server2. This is your current directory. Okay, Okay, the second command is the ls. ls is it will show all the file or directory in your current directory. Okay, your directory is /home/server2. Okay, this is the file or folder inside your home/server2. Okay, for example, okay, cd there is a cd command which is a change directory. For example, you want to change your directory, you want to access each folder here. For example, you want to go to download document, cd current directory, you want to change the current directory from home/server2 into the document directory, and then enter. Okay, right now where are you? pwd. See, you are in the document directory. Okay, cd dot dot, actually there is a space here, cd space and dot dot, so it will move up one directory, you will going back to your previous directory. Okay, cd dot dot, so there is a space here and then dot dot. Okay, enter, and then trying to the pwd to see your locations, and see, it will from the documents it will go to the previous one, which is home server. Okay, so to clear all the commands, just type clear, so it will clear your terminal here. Next is the exit. If you want to exit from your terminal, example, type exit. Okay, so it will exit. The terminal will be closed if you type exit. Okay, next is a make mkr directory, which make a new directory or folders. Rm directory is to remove the directory or folder, and history to print out what you have done in your terminals. Okay, let's do rmk directory. Okay, for example, you are in the home and you want to go to your document. Inside the documents, okay, you do the ls to see other file here. Okay, for example, you want to put some of the file in your desktop. Okay, so you change directly from the home server 2, you go to the desktop. Okay, enter. So you are in the desktop directory. Okay, see, you are in the desktop directory and you want to make directory. What's the name? Okay, for example, you want to do the file 1 folder. You want to make file 1 folder. Okay, enter. So if you want to make sure your folder is inside the desktop directory, what you have to do is you do the what we learned before this. We use ls. Okay, see, in the directory of the folder there is a file 1. Okay, show here. See, the file 1, this one is your desktop, and this is the file 1 that you are created. Okay, so rm directory, you want to remove the file. Okay, rm. Okay, for example, you put your file 1 inside the desktop. Okay, for example, previous one, you go to your home again, and for example you coming in the document, you go to documents. Okay, for example, your file 1 located in the desktop, but right now you are in the document, you want to remove the file 1, you can or not? Okay, we try. Okay, the file 1. Okay, so fail to remove because the file 1 is not in the directory of the document, is inside the desktop document. One other way to know, okay, just do the ls in your document. See, there is no file there, so you go to the cd. Okay, go to cd desktop and do the ls. See, your file is there, so remove directory file 1. Okay, so you already remove the file, ls there is no file of the file 1, so here also they will remove it. Okay, lastly is the history. You type history, so it will show you what you do before this, the one that you wrong, everything is here. Okay, okay, then after that go to part B. So part A we will KIV first, it's okay. So okay, this is what you have to do in part B and part C. Okay, I forgot you have to do part B and part C. Okay, so apply the following command. You do the PWD, and date, just type date here. Calendar, just type calendar here. CD desktop, what happened if you do CD desktop? CD, this one is CD space dot dot and then clear. Okay, then do the part C also. Okay, you need to open all your workspace and type this one, and type also who and negative WD. From your observation, print out the answer and explain what is the difference between these three commands. Okay, and then use MK directory folder command to make new directory of the new folder name NSA 2019. Okay, for this question, what you have to do is you use the command to make directory of this folder name. Okay, and then see either your folder or directory already created or not. Okay, okay, that's do make directory folder slash subfolder command to create subfolder inside the NS 2019 with the name of that one. That's mean MK directory. That's mean inside the NSA 2019 folder you created another one folder inside that. Okay, so use the CD command to open the NSA 2019 folder and see either subfolder let one is created or not. And then you have to remove the let one by using remove directory folders command, and then use CD and ls command, and try type command history and print out all the answer. Okay, please do part B and part C for your lab sheet 1. Okay, we will discuss again for other section except section 1A. We will discuss in this class. For section 1B, 2A and 2B, we will discuss in your lab time. Okay, okay, thank you for listening this video. If you have a problem, we will discuss in our lab session time. Okay, bye. Assalamualaikum.